Pesticides are poisons, so we don't like them in our food. The main ones are herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. Herbicides are poisons that kill weeds in a culture, but weeds can be simply removed. Insecticides are poisons that kill insects. When they develop, insects start from egg to larva to pupa, then they mature. Before they do, they are either fixed to one position or very slow. This is the moment when they can be removed. Mature flying insects can be enticed to a light trap where only the harmful ones can be zapped with a laser. Fungicides are poisons that kill mushrooms. Affected plants can be identified and removed to stop the spread. This method can work for bacteria and viruses too. Diseased plants can be identified using a regular camera, an infrared camera, and by collecting samples. Now, how do we remove stuff? We need a structure made with connected pillars that support a rail system where robots can move. So robots with AI watch the area, identify and locate pests, then they remove them. In conclusion, pests can be removed without pesticides. Do you like the idea? Spread the word.